Hi everyone. Let me ask you a quick question. You've invested in a predictive maintenance solution. You have integrated it with your CMMS. Everything looks to be connected. So why aren't you seeing the actual ROI? I'll tell you what is happening. Your PDM solution detects an issue early, but by the time the prediction becomes a work order, something very critical is lost. The why, the when, and the context. What started as an insight becomes just another instruction. And without that context, your teams are hesitating, escalating, and delaying. In our new ebook, Getting the Most from Your CMMS Integration, we introduce a new concept called prediction integrity. It is the discipline of preserving predictive meaning right from the time of detection to the time of execution. In this ebook, you will discover why integration alone isn't enough for your ROI, the 5 stages where you actually lose the context, how to design a system that can carry decisions and not just your data, and the 7 questions to ask your PDM provider if you are ready to integrate it with the CMMS that you have. Remember one thing, integration will protect your ROI only when it actually protects the meaning and context. So go ahead and download your free copy today.